Hello, good morning everyone. This is Edwin Pineda and welcome to my blog edwinpineda.net. And in our today's show, I will share to you how to create or to get more leads by creating or simply creating a free newsletter and send it to your leads to get more free leads. Okay? So, first, para magkaroon ka ng newsletter, kailangan mo ng free email autoresponder. Okay? So, meron mga libreng email autoresponder and ang ginagamit ko for pangkaraniwan ay yung tinatawagan na Listwire. So, Listwire is free. Free siya. Wala kang babayarang monthly services. No? And unlike sa mga paid services, actually I use paid services like the Aweber. Okay? Because kung paid yon, for me personally, mas marami siyang features that you can use. And kung medyo nag-umpisa ka pala mag-start ng online home business mo, you can use this newsletter. We call it Listwire. And all you have to do is go to the listwire.com and create or just sign up. Okay? So click the sign up tab here and fill out this information here, your account name, account password, and verify your password. Then your first name, your business name, and your email address, the city, state, and your zip code and the country kung saan country ka naka let's say Philippines. So you choose mo rito Philippines, okay? And then your number, email address, and email address, no? So once na fill out mo na tong information here, all you have to do is click here to create your Listwire account. Okay? So, usually, pag click mo nyan, okay, you will receive a confirmation email sa email na binigay mo rito, no? Yung email address na binigay mo rito. So, pag na-confirm mo na yon, makukuha mo yung pwede mo nang gamitin yung account name mo and username and yung account password mo. Okay, once you have your account name and account username, you will have para magamit mo na tong free service na to, you need to log in. So, for example, okay, log in ako. Oops. Okay. So, once you log in, ayan, pupunta ka na sa pinaka back office niya. And kung meron ka ng back office, from here, pwede ka na mag-create ng panibago mong, let's say, kung wala ka pang laman, kung wala ka pang autoresponder list. Now, here are my autoresponder list, no? Now, dahil kukumpisa mo pa lang, what you need to do is to create a new autoresponder list. Okay? So, para makapag-create ka, kailangan mong mag-create ng auto. So, click ka rito sa Manage Autoresponders. Then, pwede mo na i-click yung Create here to add a new autoresponder list. Now, so ito, hindi mo pa magagamit to kasi wala ka pang list. Okay? So, all you have to do is create here. Click mo lang yan. Tapos, lagyan mo ng name yung autoresponder mo. Let's say, para di ka malito kung ano yung topic mo, no? Kung ano yung niche mo, okay? So for example, about health, so lagyan mo na lang health. So lagyan mo ng konting description, health topic newsletter. Okay? So eto, okay lang yan. Leave it, yan nyo lang yan. Then click here to create your new autoresponder. Okay. Error. An autoresponder with the name already exists, please choose another. Sabi may kapareho siya. So, make it, para sigurado ka, make it unique na lang. Para yan, health 12 pill. Okay, so, ox lang naman yun. Name lang naman siya eh. Now, meron ka ng autoresponder list. Ngayon, paano ka makakapag-capture ng leads ay siyempre gagawa ka ng capture leads o kaya gagawa ka ng form na ilalagay mo doon ngayon sa website mo. So, for example, kuha tayo ng form. Okay, tracking, builder, receipt. Yeah, ito, subscription form. Okay, so let's say click here to add a web form. Okay, so lagyan mo lang ng pangalan, health newsletter. Okay. So leave it blank na lang dito, no? Wala na kayong gagalawin. Okay? So, next page. So, ito, dito nila ilalagay yung name and email address ng leads mo. Okay? Kung gusto mag-capture ng leads, dun sa tinuro ko nung unang-una is yung nag-create tayo ng website or ng blog. So, para makapag-create ka ng more leads, kailangan mo na itong newsletter na to, capture page, capture form na to, subscription form. So, merong name and email. Okay? So, let's say, kunwari wala na tayong babaguhin dyan. Okay? Kung gusto mo makita yung save form muna natin. Okay? So, meron ka ng save form. Okay? So, next. Teka lang, ha? Ito yung live preview niya. Ito yung itsura niya pag nilagay mo siya sa blog mo. Okay? Okay, so, save form. Ngayon, meron ka ng form. Pwede mo na siyang ilagay ngayon sa website mo. Okay? Sa blog na ginawa mo. So, kung may blog ka na, ang gagawin lang natin is i-copy natin yung HTML value nito dun sa website mo. Okay? So, paano mo gagawin yan? Let's go to kalang. Tingnan natin to. May error ba tayo na bad URL o no URL. So, lagay mo, let's go back here. Ito, kailangan ilagay mo yung blog mo kung anong URL ng website mo. For example, edwinpineda.net. Okay? Okay, next page. Okay. Then, save form. Ayan. Form successfully added. So, let's go now dun sa ginawa nating health newsletter na form. So, kunin natin yung code. Okay. So, for example, eto, may makikita kang dalawang code. Kunin mo yung nasa baba. Ito yung HTML code. Control C. Now, doon sa pinakita kong sample, no, yung website na ginawa natin, yung pinakita ko nung una, kung meron ka ng blog, yung unang tinuro ko sa how to create a free blog, no? So, yung tinuro ko sa inyo nung una is nag-create tayo ng free blog using Google Blogger. Okay? So, let's go now to Google Blogger. Pwede mo na ngayong ipasok tong HTML na code na to dun sa Google Blogger mo. Okay? So, let's go now to Google Blogger. No, not Google Plus. Google Blogger. Hanapin mo yung Google Blogger. Oh, you can go to blogger.com. Okay, dito na sa products. Google Blogger. Okay. Okay, so ito yun, ito yung ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo yung sample na gumawa tayo ng sample blog. Okay? Ito yung sample blog. Now, para makagkaroon tayo ng capture tayo ng leads, lalagay tayo ng subscription form dito. So all I have to do is let's go now to my blog and okay, click natin to. Then, mapupunta ka ngayon sa back office ng Google Blogger. And now, napunta ka na sa back office ng Google Blogger. Punta ka sa layout. Now, pag nasa layout ka na, makikita mo rito, may mga widget na tinatawag dyan. Okay? So, X lang natin to. So, add a gadget. In here, kukunin mo yung HTML. Punta ka dito, hanapin mo yung HTML, JavaScript. Click mo lang tong plus. Okay? So, pwedeng lagay mo rito, subscribe here. Okay? Then, lagay mo na ngayon yung HTML code mo rito, yung kinapi mo kanina, then save. Pagka save mo, click mo lang yung save dito. Okay? Then, kung na-save mo na yan, balik ka rito, click mo lang yung refresh ka lang, ay meron ka ng subscription form. Okay? So, kita nya? Meron ka ng subscription form. Ngayon, kung meron tayong client dito or customers that is interested to the product or service that we are offering, for sure, i-save nila yung name and email address nila, and once you have captured those information, going back to your, balik ka rito, okay? Now, kung nandito ka na, punta ka ngayon sa newsletter mo, okay? Sa autoresponder list mo. And from here, so, may error. A valid post address is required. So, kasi, di ako nag-fill up ng, so, kailangan maglagay ka ng address. Okay? So, for example, postal address. So, pwedeng mas maganda kung meron kang postal address para very professional yung dating. Or, gusto mo, lagay mo lang yung home address mo rito. Okay? For example, home address 1318E Cavite Street, Tondo, Manila. Okay, so update mo lang yan. Okay, so pwede ka na ngayon mag-create ng broadcast message or follow-up message. Pag sinabing broadcast message, ito yung sinesend mo on the spot, no? Kung gusto mo lang meron ka lang gusto sabihin sa client mo or sa prospects mo or sa customer mo. And the follow-up messages, these are messages na nakasave na siya, and it will be sent to your prospects and leads at a certain period of time. For example, every 2 days, every once a week, meron kang very information or valuable information na gusto mong i-share sa clients mo. You could use these follow-up messages. Okay? So, eto. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo rito, no? So, para mas ma-practice nyo yung sarili nyo, please sign up kayo rito, create your own autoresponder. Then, if you have a free blog or website na katulad ng shinare ko sa inyo, you can also do that. And see how you could send those information to your leads. Okay? So, para pagka nagsisend ka kasi ng information, ini-educate mo yung prospects mo, yung leads mo, mas lalo silang na-attract sa'yo, and in that way, dahil very valuable yung binibigay mo information to them, very educational, they could also share those information sa mga friends nila, family, relatives. Okay? So, in that way, magkakaroon ka ng more leads. Mas madagdagan yung mga prospects mo. Okay? So, I hope may natutunan kayo in this video training, and I hope to see you again next time in my next video training. Once again, this is Edwin Pineda. I'm a home business dad, and please subscribe to my newsletter sa blog ko sa edwinpineda.net. And have a great day, everyone. Medyo maulan ngayon, so ingat din dahil maulan ang kali. Maraming salamat and have a great day. Thank you.